How to stay profitable in a crazy market like this. So you all probably heard the news. US got involved into Iran-Israel conflict, and there is a really high possibility that Iran is gonna block Strait of Hormuz right now. And if that ever happened, the price for oil gonna reach $100 per barrel plus easily, and that will lead to a much harder drop on the crypto and stock market. So if you're planning to take any trades, make sure you align with the overall market, which is now very bearish. Taking longs right now, it's like pissing against the wind. You may get lucky, but most likely you'll end up covered in urine. And also don't try to catch any falling knives right now, because nobody knows where the bottom is and the situation might get much worse. It's better just to wait. But right now I wanted to quickly go over the trade signals I gave over the last 2 days with a result and quick analysis so you may understand them better. So the first up is TIA, signal I shared on Friday with a short breakout below $1.608. Coin was at all-time lows, is recently retesting this strong level, and because it was at all-time lows, there's basically no support below that level, which means nothing to stop the fall. And the result, from the breakout that I shared, it already dropped 17%. So even if you didn't catch this whole move, there was still an easy 4-to-1 or even 9-to-1 risk-reward trade. Another signal I shared, FIL, short below $2.315. Pretty much same setup logic, no support under, clean breakout. Result, 14% drop, easy 5-to-1 risk reward or even more if you exited early. I also dropped a long signal on the stock Rocket Lab with a breakout about $28. Why would I share a long? Because this instrument has its own game, it doesn't really react to SPY or any other indexes at all. That's why I suggested it for long, seeing this strong level. And on Friday, we could see the clean breakout and the price flew to $30 in just 2 hours. That's a 7% move. Another trade is Moodang that I shared on Friday with a short below 0.14035. And since then, it moved 14% down. Another 5-4, 6-to-1 risk reward, depends on your patience. And here are the yesterday's signal that I shared that's all delivered. It was NXPC, WIF, INJ. All three of them gave easy 4-to-1, 5-to-1 or even more risk-reward setups within hours. WIF dropped 13% from the breakout level that I shared. INJ 15%. NXPC 14%. Literally free money for those who follow and know how to trade such setups. All those signals were shared long before they happened. It's not like I'm posting the results only post-factum. You can see it yourself on my page, link in bio. So yeah, crazy times, crazy market possibilities. But if you don't know how to trade in these conditions, it's better to stay out, because market gonna smash you hard if you're not prepared. So only take trades which align with overall market direction, which is now short. And never ever trade without stop losses. This is the fastest way to lose